Uh, Good morning, all of you. This is my 13th number video of this lessons of Tarot Card Professional Online Reading. Today I'm talking about Major Arcana card, and I have discussed number 4 card. Last one card is Emperor. Now, uh, now in this video we have discussed about the card the Hermit. Now let's talk about what is the story behind the Hermit card and what the reason and symbol says in this card, right? The Hermit, most decks depict the Hermit as a solitary figure standing alone in a black landscape. He is dressed in a simple clothing and carries a single lantern to light his path. Most hermits are also shown carrying a cane. He is an elderly man with a grey hair and a long grey beard, representing his wisdom and age. The expression on his face is a peaceful and serene. He is happy to be alone and comforted by his quest for knowledge. In tarot, the number 9 represents personal fulfillment and the completion of a quest. The presence of this hermit is a spread means that your querent needs to put careful thought and the contemplation into a major decision. It cautions them against taking the things lightly without taking the time to gain as much knowledge about the situation as possible. The answer to the querent's questions is available but requires a great deal of introspection, introspection and a meditation to discover. In some cases, this card may mean that the querent needs to withdraw from the world around them, at least for a brief period. In today's modern society, some reader advise querents of the need to unplug from the technology for a few hours a day. Now, next card is Wheel of Fortune. Wheel of Fortune card is the number 10 card, and this card belongs to a Jupiter, right? Now, we will discuss about what is the story behind this card and what is the meaning of these symbols in the card, right? In the most deck, the Wheel of Fortune hangs suspended in the sky. In the Rider-Waite deck, the Wheel of Fortune is surrounded by a mythological beast and covered in symbols. The Glided deck shows the Wheel of Fortune against the heavens. With the sign of the zodiac written on its face, most deck, the Rider-Waite and the Glided deck included, do not depict any human figures on this card, leading the readers to believe that the fate is at work, not human interventions. The symbol of the wheel itself represents the cycle of life. Number 10 means that an event or cycle has come full circle and reached its end. The Wheel of Fortune card is often called the Destiny card as it is symbol. It is almost always indicated a positive change in a personal life. It does represent the end of the something old but also beginning of something new. It tells the querent to see event though until the end to be open to whatever life brings them next. It could be that a wonderful changes is right around the corner. This card also reminds querent and readers alike that nothing is a permanent. There are a good aspect of life and bad, but nothing lasts forever. The important thing is to remember the lesson life change you doing the way. Wheel of Fortune can also represent self improvement and changes depending on the context of the spread. As discussed in the last model, the major arcana included 22 cards representing major life events such as a birth, marriage, career changes. If the tarot deck is a home, the major arcana represent the bricks and the minor arcana is the mortar, holding everything together. Both are necessary for a full and complete reading at any given spread. The second of the major arcana contain numerous misunderstood cards. including the death card, an accurate understanding of each card, free from any misconception or preconceived notion about the card, is essential. Make sure you are carefully read the description of the card that do not speak to you or that seems to carry negative messages. Given that there are 56 cards in the minor arcana and only 22 in the major arcana, most readers expect to see spread consisting primarily of minor arcana cards, with only a few from the major arcana making appearances. As a result, a spread containing more major arcana card than a minor carries special meaning. When your spread consists of almost all major arcana cards, it means that your querent is currently experiencing major life changes, ones that have a massive long term impact on their life. These events can include relocations, making decisions about career and education, as well as more personal matters such as a birth, marriage, divorce, and death. Your querent is likely to seeking answer to deep questions affecting their spiritual and personal lives. Some professional can complete reading only using 22 cards of the major arcana. This method should be reserved for an experienced reader who need a guidance on a deeply spiritual matter, are seeking all self-awareness, or require a deeper insight into a querent's questions from the collective consciousness. Unconscious. Reader can use the standard spread discussed in the next model for these readings. The minor arcana plays an important role in the most reading, providing a context and insight. As a result, it is important for beginner readers to continue using the minor arcana as they become increasingly familiar with the meanings, interpretation, and definition behind the major arcana. As discussed in earlier model, most readers do not consider reverse meaning as a complete spread. Instead, they prepare to let the other card in the spread provide context and meanings. However, you do note that most of major arcana card appear reversed in a spread. It may means that the querent is not paying attention to the lesson available around them. As a reader, you can help your querent by offering deeper meaning or context about the reverse card. Now in next video we will discuss about other next card